Are you looking for a reliable way to import your VCF contacts into Lotus Notes? Welcome to WholeClear VCF to NSF Converter is the perfect solution for you. This powerful tool allows users to easily convert vCard, VCF contacts into NSF format without losing any important contact information. Feature of WholeClear VCF to NSF Converter. Simple and user-friendly interface. Convert vCard files to NSF with complete contact information. Import VCF contacts directly into Lotus Notes. Perform bulk conversion of multiple VCF files to NSF format. Steps to import vCard contacts into IBM Notes NSF. Step 1. Launch the WholeClear VCF to NSF Converter on your Windows system. Step 2. Select either a single VCF file or an entire folder, then browse and load the VCF files. Step 3. Choose the destination location to save the resulting NSF file using the Browse option. Step 4. Click the Convert Now button to start importing all VCF contacts into the NSF file. After completing these steps, users will obtain an NSF file that can be easily imported into IBM Notes, Lotus Notes, versions 10.0, 9.0, 8.5, 8.0, 7.0, 6.0, and earlier. For any query, visit our website. Thanks for watching.